Quiz about the flags of 50 countries around the world. Bolivia's flag consists of which two colors? The four options are green and white, yellow and blue, blue and white, red and green. The correct answer is red and green. How many vertical stripes are present on Italy's flag? The four options are 3, 5, 2, 4. The correct answer is 3. How many stars are present on the Philippines flag? The four options are 7, 5, 3, 9. The correct answer is 3. What symbol is located in the center of Croatia's flag? The four options are coat of arms, star, cross, crown. The correct answer is coat of arms. What symbol is centered on Bangladesh's flag? The four options are lotus, star, crescent moon, red sun. The correct answer is red sun. What element is present at the center of Dominica's flag? The four options are bird, star, cross, circle. The correct answer is bird. What symbol is featured on Georgia's flag? The four options are star, crescent moon, cross, coat of arms. The correct answer is cross. What is the main color on Saudi Arabia's flag? The four options are yellow, green, red, blue. The correct answer is green. What is the color of the star in the center of the Togo's flag? The four options are white, red, black, blue. The correct answer is white. How many horizontal stripes are present on Gabon's flag? The four options are 3, 2, 4, 5. The correct answer is 3. What symbol is featured on Micronesia's flag? The four options are moon, fish, eagle, star. The correct answer is star. How many crosses are there on the flag of the United Kingdom? The four options are 2, 1, 4, 3. The correct answer is 3. What symbol is located in the center of Vanuatu's flag? The four options are bird, sun, coconut tree, Y shape. The correct answer is Y shape. What is the primary color on Mauritania's flag? The four options are yellow, black, green, red. The correct answer is green. Which of the following is not one of the colors on the flag of South Africa? The four options are yellow, orange, green, white. The correct answer is orange. What colors are present on Iran's flag? The four options are white, green, blue, red. The correct answer are green and white. What colors are present on Oman's flag? The four options are black, red, white, green. The correct answer are red, white, and green. What symbol is located in the center of Liechtenstein's flag? The four options are star, crown, eagle, castle. The correct answer is crown. What symbols are featured on Tajikistan's flag? The four options are crescent, sun, crown, eagle. The correct answer is crown. What is the primary color of Denmark's flag? The four options are yellow, white, red, blue. The correct answer is red. What symbol is located in the center of Japan's flag? The four options are sun, Mount Fuji, dragon, cherry blossom. The correct answer is sun. How many vertical stripes are there on Chad's flag? The four options are 3, 2, 4, 1. The correct answer is 3. What colors are featured on the flag of the Netherlands? The four options are black, red, and green, red, blue, and white, green and yellow, blue and white. The correct answer are red, blue, and white. What colors are featured on Paraguay's flag? The four options are blue and yellow, red, yellow, and blue, green and white, red, white, and blue. The correct answer are red, white, and blue. What is the primary color of Guyana's flag? The four options are black, red, green, yellow. The correct answer is green. What color is the background of Brunei's flag? The four options are white, yellow, black, red. The correct answer is yellow. What symbols are present on Azerbaijan's flag? The four options are eagle, cross, star, and crescent, lion. The correct answer is star and crescent. What object is depicted in the upper hoist corner of Uzbekistan's flag? The four options are moon, sun, star, eagle. The correct answer is moon. What constellation is represented by the stars on the Samoan flag? The four options are the North Star, the Big Dipper, the Southern Cross, the Pleiades. The correct answer is the Southern Cross. How many stars are present on the flag of the United States? The four options are 48, 52, 50, 13. The correct answer is 50. What colors are present on Nigeria's flag? The four options are black, green, red, white. The correct answer are green and white. What colors are present on Sudan's flag? The four options are black, white, red, green. The correct answer are red, white, and black. Which celestial body is depicted on Argentina's flag? The four options are Sun, Moon, Planet, Star. The correct answer is Sun. What color is prominently featured on the flag of the Maldives? The four options are red, white, yellow, green. The correct answer is red. How many human figures are there in the coat of arms on Belize's flag? The four options are 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 2. What is the primary shape featured on the flag of the Dominican Republic? The four options are circle, star, coat of arms, cross. The correct answer is cross. What color is the diagonal band on Tanzania's flag? The four options are yellow, blue, green, black. The correct answer is black. How many stars are present on Marshall Islands' flag? The four options are 4, 1, 3, 2. The correct answer is 1. What symbol is present at the center of Mexico's flag? The four options are sun, eagle, snake, cactus. The correct answer is eagle. What colors are present on Nicaragua's flag? The four options are yellow, white, red, blue. The correct answer are blue and white. What color is prominently featured on Qatar's flag? The four options are green, yellow, blue, red. The correct answer is red. What color is the main background of Laos' flag? The four options are red, yellow, green, blue. The correct answer is red. How many stars are present on Cape Verde's flag? The four options are 8, 11, 5, 10. The correct answer is 10. What is the color of the star on the flag of Chile? The four options are white, red, yellow, blue. The correct answer is white. What shape is depicted on Kiribati's flag? The four options are sun, frigatebird, turtle, palm tree. The correct answer is frigatebird. What color is prominently featured on Bahrain's flag? The four options are blue, green, red, white. The correct answer is red. What symbol is featured on India's flag? The four options are elephant, star, sun, wheel. The correct answer is wheel. What symbol is located in the center of Zimbabwe's flag? The four options are Star, flame, bird, soapstone, bird. The correct answer is soapstone bird. What colors are featured on Benin's flag? The four options are yellow, red, white, green. The correct answer are red, yellow, and green. What iconic symbol is featured in the center of South Sudan's flag? The four options are star, cross, African elephant, sun. The correct answer is star. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe for the next video.